This week, we've got a product to review. I'm currently working on rebuilding my Christmas maxi motor, so I can't think of a better time to review these motor mounts. Made by Moped Factory. And as of right now, they have options for the Puch, a Minarelli, and also a Tomos motor. It's worth mentioning that these can be mobile, or you can actually fasten them down to any work surface. What better way to test how these things work than by building a motor with them? Now, this is one of those tools that I think is absolutely necessary for anybody that's really doing a lot of moped work. Mostly because it's so frustrating having to throw around the motor all over the place when you just want it to be in the right position for the right task that you're doing. So when I found out that I was going to be given the chance to look at these things and do a product review on them and add them to my shop tool collection, I was ecstatic. And after finishing the bottom half of this motor, I have to say, so far, I am super pleased with this. One thing that I was really worried about was, how is this foundation? Was this motor going to be a little top heavy and tip around? And honestly, it didn't. I had no issue with this thing wobbling whatsoever. And if you're interested on where you can see these things, check out RestoCycles.com. I'll actually have the links to each stand down below separately. If you're watching some of my future content here coming up, we're actually going to do a giveaway where we're going to give away all 3 of these extra stands that I was given and supplied by RestoCycles and Moped Factory. If you're interested on seeing what else Moped Factory has to offer, go ahead and check out their website as well. I'll have that down below, but it's mopedfactory.com. And they were also kind enough to add a 10% off discount for anybody that uses code RestoCycles on mopedfactory.com. So what else is left to say? This stand works exactly how it should. I cannot wait to build more motors with this thing. It is going to absolutely streamline the process. So again, if you want to get your guys' hands on one of these, check out some of the links down below. And also watch some of these future updates where we are going to be giving away 3 of these. Thank you so much to RestoCycles and Moped Factory for supplying us with these so we can do a video. And as always, guys, ride safe.